Hey friends, welcome to today's Dodd exercise. We're getting our real life workout in. We're here on family vacation at our favorite spot on earth. I've got my niece Jess with me today. What are we doing?
We are going to be doing a 5-minute snack exercise video all standing up. Let's do it to it.
Yeah! Get your kiddos set up with some snacks or just, give them a microphone to be here with you. Alright. We're going to do our best to have everything today be 45 seconds on and 15 seconds off, but I didn't bring my fancy timer, so we're just going to go on the watch and do as best as we can. What are we starting out with, Miss Jess?
We are doing jogging in place.
Or if you need a simpler version, marching in place.
Marching.
Alright. Ready? Let's go. You marching or jogging? We're on uneven ground up here, but we're doing it anyways. You get your heart rate up. Don't fall off the cliff. You want to do it, Ryder? I can't hold you. Just keep moving, or you can just march.
I will just hold on very tight.
You hold on very tight. I can't do it. 10 more seconds. Keep moving your body. Alright, and rest. Next up, we're just going to do body weight squats. Sweet and simple. Squat down, hinge at your hips, move back, and up. Got it?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's maybe 15 seconds. Let's go. We like it when our family all works out together and we all get healthy together. You good? Need a body weight? Really does make it a lot harder. 10 more seconds. You got this. All right, and rest. Next up, we're going to do jumping jacks or step jacks, whichever one's easier for you. Okay. All right, let's go. Step jacks, so just step to the side, feet out. I know you probably can't see my feet through this. I know. We'll get you dry socks when we get back to the house. There you go, PG. You want to do jumping jacks? Do jumping jacks. Say that snack exercises throughout the day are just as good as getting in a long workout all at one time. Careful, slippery there. 2, 1, and rest. All right, next we're gonna do cross-body punches. Can you do punches? Brace your core, abdominal bracing, and just punch it out. 15 seconds. All right, let's go. Punch, punch, punch. I feel like this always helps get out some frustration from the day. Look at your muscles. How you doing, Jess?
Good.
Put some meaning into those punches. There you go. Hold up here. My heart rate's up. Almost done. The grip can't do it. Alright, pause, stop. And our last exercise, we're going to do some elbow to knee standing crunches. So brace your core, opposite elbow, opposite knee. Alright, let's go. up. Too far. Too far. We've had a little sass today. Here, come on. Look up this way, please. Sorry. So I got Jess here, so she can keep going. Well, I gotta take care of this one. Precarious situations and all.
Mom,
What?
this came up.
Uh-oh. Okay, I'll get it in a minute. All right, all done. Great job, everybody. Sorry for all the chaos. Leave us a comment and a cheesy thumbs up. Let us know how you enjoyed this workout. What you gotta say?
I hope you had fun.
Have a magical day.